Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video is we have this Brother DCP-T730DW printer, and this unit is having a paper jammed error. And in this video I'll gonna show you how to clear and remove the paper jammed of this Brother DCP-T730DW printer. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Please press and hold the power button to turn off your printer. And unplug your printer's power cord from the power source. Second step is remove your printer's paper cassette tray. And also remove the paper output tray. Then we can now check and remove the paper jammed inside the printer. Just press this one to unlock. Then you can now easily inspect or access the jammed paper inside the printer. You can use a flashlight to completely remove all broken pieces of paper jammed inside the printer. On removing the paper jammed, you can also use a twister to easily remove and pull the paper jammed. And double-check from the right to left side of your printer using a flashlight to ensure that all broken small pieces of crumpled paper are completely removed inside your printer. And also open your Duplex paper feeder to check and clear paper jammed, because some pieces of jammed papers may fall in this part of your printer. Carefully inspect and remove broken pieces of paper jammed if you found. After clearing paper jammed, we may now insert the paper cassette tray. And reattach the paper output tray. Then we may now plug in the printer's power cord to the power source. After the power cord is plugged into the power source, your printer will automatically turn on. So let me focus on its screen to show you if we have successfully fixed and resolved the paper jam error. So as we can see here, the paper jammed error that appears on the screen is now gone. So we may run a nozzle check to test the printer. So select Maintenance, press OK. Press OK again to select Improve Quality. Then press Start to start printing. So let me check the nozzle check print quality printout. So as we notice on its printout, it doesn't have the black printout. This is the usual issue when your printer has encountered paper jam problem. In order to fix this issue, just perform a printhead cleaning. So on its screen shows, is quality okay? So just select No and set to many gaps. Then press the Start button to start the printhead cleaning. Printhead cleaning, it may take some time, So just wait on it until it finishes the print head cleaning operation. And when print head cleaning finishes, it will automatically ask to print the nozzle check pattern. So just select Yes and press the Start button to start printing the nozzle check print quality. So here's the printout result after the print head cleaning. So missing black printout problem is successfully resolved. That's the simple step-by-step procedure on how to remove the paper jammed and fix missing printout color of this Brother DCP-T730DW printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.